Hey geeks, and so today I'm going to be giving you some of my answers to questions that I've been getting all the time over the years. And it's questions that I think anybody who's starting on YouTube or just doing stuff on the internet would ask. And so the first question is, what equipment do I need? Well, as I often tell people, just start with what you have, and that is your phone. So for example, I'm using my phone right now. And I think for most people, this is going to be pretty good quality, even on budget phones like mine. This is like a $150 Walmart phone. It's probably even cheaper now. And so if you have a higher end phone like an iPhone, a Samsung, Google Pixel, you're probably going to get a lot better quality. So I always say start with what you have. And for most people, the smartphone is going to be able to do everything that you need. You can even edit videos on your smartphone. And so I do have an entire playlist on how to do that, and I will leave that in the comments area below. And so another question that I get is, how do I actually grow faster on YouTube? Views, subscribers. And this one's really tricky because I don't have a good answer for that because obviously my channel isn't one of those channels that has a lot of viral growth, and the majority of channels, they don't have that type of explosive growth. And quite often, to be honest with you, it's mostly trying to get recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Now, that's not to say that you should not focus on creating great quality content. That is very important. But if the YouTube algorithm doesn't pick up and most importantly doesn't recommend your channel, you really have no control over that. So I don't have a good answer for that. But what I will say that works consistently that I've seen across many YouTube channels, including my own, is you really need to focus on the audience or the people who are coming to your channel. So that's kind of what I'm seeing in my case. Even though I don't have fast growth, I have consistent growth. And then over time, all the content I've created really helps to continually help my channel grow and most importantly, build a community of dedicated fans. And so those are some of my answers to questions that I've been getting over the years and I continue to get today. So if you actually had any thoughts on that, leave it in the comments area below and I'll see you on another video.